How to upload 90 seconds status on WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp app. At the bottom, tap on Updates. Then tap on Add Status at the top. You can record video from your phone camera, or you can select the video from your gallery. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated. By default, you can set 90 seconds video on your status. If you want, you can select the position, add sticker, text, or music on your video. When you are done, tap on green send button at the bottom, and that's it. This is how you can upload 90 seconds status on WhatsApp.